Thank you guys for tuning in to the Real Car Guy Review, where you're going to get real car reviews by real car guys. Now today we're going to take a look at the 2018 Jeep TrackHawk, or in other words, what I like to call the Hellhawk, one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. And you're going to be able to see why I call it the Hellhawk when I took a ride in it. Take a look at this. It's fast.
So guys, we got the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee TrackHawk, 707 horsepower, 6.2 liter supercharged V8, Trimbo brakes, got the real carbon fiber dash inserts, you got the signature Laguna leather series package. And then you got the mats. Only you get those in the TrackHawk. For all the real Jeep Grand Cherokee enthusiasts out there. The best thing about this is you know, the same touchscreen display you guys are probably used to in the Grand Cherokee. Still here in the TrackHawk. You got the Harman Kardon premium sound, navigation. It's all fully touchscreen, climate control. Something unique to the TrackHawk is the different drive modes. You got launch controls, the different drive modes that change the screen. It's unique to the SRT class. You got the TrackHawk here on the wheel, and we'll take it for a quick little spin. If you want to have one of your very own, you can contact me at 602-527-5372 or shoot me an email, BlakeToolan@chapmanchoice.com.
Now guys, here's the top 3 things that I love about the actual TrackHawk, or like I like to call it, the Hellhawk. Number 1, the simple fact is you get that supercharged 6.4 V8. Now there's not too many other vehicles out there that has that whine like this actual TrackHawk. One of the best whines that I've ever heard in my life. Number 2, simple fact is the price, right? Now you could say $100,000 for a Jeep product is a lot of money, but when you start to compare it to like the Range Rover, you're saving yourself about $40,000 to $50,000. Now, I don't know about you, but the Range Rover title for me, I don't need it if I get the performance out of the vehicle that I want. Number 3, the look, the aggression look about it. The vehicle looks good. The Laguna leather feels wonderful when you sit in it. It's one of the most premium feels that I've ever felt in a Jeep, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep Ram. You feel like you spent the $100,000, and you probably will spend $100,000, but it's worth every single penny. That performance, that leather, the ride of it, it's unbelievable, worth every single dollar. Now, I gotta say the top 3 things that I hate about the Trackhawk. The first one would have to be the price, guys. You know I said that you're gonna save yourself $40,000 to $50,000 from the actual Range Rover, but when you start to compare it to the other Dodge Jeep product line, I'm pretty much getting a Hellcat in a Jeep form. So I would like to kind of stick around that Hellcat price where I can get a Challenger for $67,000 Hellcat. I can get a Charger 4-door for $72,000. You know, when you start putting me up in that neighborhood of $88,000, $96,000, and then selling it $5,000 over sticker, then, you know, I expect a little bit more out of my buck for that. Number 2, the simple fact is, guys, if I'm spending $100,000 on the car, I need it to look a little different. I can't have it out there looking like another Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. And I know there's a little bit of the lip on the front and the yellow Brembo brakes and things like that, but I need it to stand out a little more. I need it to be maybe like the wide body Demon. Maybe I needed to have a different hood or a different back end. I know they didn't want to step too far out of bounds here because it's award-winning Jeep, you know, kind of go with the title. If it's not broke, don't fix it. But guys, if I'm spending $100,000, I want to look different than the SRT, okay? That's one of my biggest ones. Number 3, simple fact is, if I'm gonna spend $100,000, and I keep saying $100,000, but the performance, right? Dodge has a Demon coming out. Dodge Demon with 909 horsepower, right? I get 707 in the Trackhawk. They're gonna be right about the same price. And with that being said, you know, I definitely want it to be maybe the top of the line that they're ever gonna make. I don't know. I don't want to spend the $100,000 and then find out, you know, a couple years later down the road there's something else bigger and better and I have to now get out of it and go into that one. I want the top of the line if I'm gonna spend top of the line money. And those are my top 3 things I don't like about the Trackhawk. All right, guys, that's all I have right now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Click the subscribe button down low right there. Brand new channel. If you like cars, if you like tips and tricks, if you like simple hacks or how to purchase a car on the right money, anything from a real car guy, this is the channel you want to link to. Trust me, we're going to have a ton of things coming. You're going to see some exciting cars. You're going to see some exciting previews. If you're interested in any type of muscle cars, fast cars, brand new cars, used cars, anything you want, this is the channel to do. Brand new channel, guys. It's going to be one of your favorite channels. Thank you for watching the Real Car Guy Reviews, where you get real car reviews by real car guys. All right, guys.
I'm an addict, break the mattress with a battery on the attic. Diamond glasses, need some glasses for the flesh, yeah.